Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. When I was in third grade, my teacher, Mrs. White, and I'm sure you had a teacher like Mrs. White. It may have been 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th grade. Heck, it could have even been college. Who assigned you busy work. You know, just stuff to keep you busy. They wanted to give you homework. They didn't have any idea what to give you for homework, so they came up with something. For all I know, there was a teacher's manual called How to Assign Busy Work. Well, the problem is that busy work isn't just a third grade experience, an elementary school experience. It could be an exclusive contract experience. It could be a Medicare experience. Talking about stuff that you have to do just because everyone thinks you have to do it, but it actually has no benefit. Reporting something to get a little reward, a percentage here, a percentage there. Being told that you have to attend a certain meeting at which nothing at all happens. Or worse, have you inside your own medical group assigned yourself or other members of the group the equivalent of busy work? Participation on some committee that is, come on, admit it, useless. Doing some reporting that is useless. Doing some task that's useless. Supervising someone who doesn't need supervision. Think about what busy work you can cut out yourself. In other words, the stuff that you've assigned yourself. And when negotiating agreements, ask why when someone has told you that you've got to do something. We need you to do this. Why? When they answer, ask why again, until you truly understand if there is a true reason for it, or if it's simply their equivalent of Mrs. Weiss's busy work.